crazy blizzard. Awesome.
They need to take it out before it gets really cold.
Wow, this tree hasn't been plowed at all. People working in the street, look.
Are you passing the bridge?
That hasn't been plowed, look at that. Wow.
Dad, are you gonna pass the bridge?
No. Look at that car against traffic. He must have crashed on the sidewalk.
That's where your camp was. No, not camp. That was my school. Yeah. Did you have to walk a lot to get here, or did you drive? Walk.
If you ordered roof service, forget about it, because he's stuck.